All right, everybody, it's another day. You'll be happy to know that I curled my hair before I started this video because, like you, I'm tired of watching myself curl my hair on these videos. Isn't that great? So what I'm gonna do is today, I'm gonna back comb my hair. Just at the root, get the volume in there. Really dig in there, get it up. Isn't that a cute look? And that's it for today. Thank you for viewing. And we'll do the sides. Elvis in the house. We'll do the sides. Alright, today we are just going to wear this going back. The back looks I've been in lately. But we are going to accessorize. Give us some little 80s Madonna flair going on here. Throw it up. Come back and I pin this in. Put that little tag. And pin this in. All right. Make our little bows. And I just want to pull this out. Because we like height in the front. Comb this back. I still like it to be big. And there you go. Cute for another day of hair. Of course, you can spray it with your Freeze and Shine. Got it all nice and full. Got that big Texas hair, girl. The cute little bow. Style it. You can leave some pieces down if you like to do. The front pieces still be kind of cute. You could do a full bang down if you didn't want to have, you know, at our age we try to get rid of some of them. Don't look at my forehead, you know, so even a little bang down is cute. But you could do it however you wanted. I like to sometimes put it up because that's super cute. A little updo with your accessories works. Anything you want to do. For today, we are wearing ours back. And poofed up. That's what we like. Thank you guys for watching. Another day of hair done. I hope you guys are doing your hair, trying to make it work, and I'll see you next time. Press like if you like the video, big thumbs up, comment down below if there's anything you want to see me do, if there's anything you want to see extra, if there's a hairstyle you think I should try, because I'm always trying to try something new. Alright, bye-bye.